Let's learn how to do a double crochet. In order to do a double crochet, first thing we're going to do is yarn over the hook, enter into the next stitch, yarn over the hook, pull through the first loop. And if you see here, we have 3 loops right here. We're going to yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. And then you see we have 2 loops left. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. That's a double crochet. Let's do that a little bit slower here. So we're going to yarn over the hook, enter into the next stitch, like so. That's going to leave us with 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So for double crochet, yarn over, enter the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Let's do that again here. Just like that. And yarn over, enter into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And that is how to do a double crochet.